Eh.
Okay, so today we're doing back. So with back, we normally start with pull-ups. So the pull-ups pretty much against the lats. So we start with pull-ups. We do some kind of barbell rows. We do some kind of T-bar rows. We do some kind of lat pull-downs and call it a day. Yeah. So when you're doing pull-ups, one tricky part that you need to consider is that as you come down, you want to stretch your hands like that so that you incorporate the lats. If you don't get to stretch enough, you'll be incorporating the bicep. So I mean to say the tension will go on the bicep and not the lats. So you stretch on your way down, on your way up you squeeze. The second exercise for our back, we started with pull-ups. This time around we'll be doing the lat pull down. So with the machine lat pull down, we're also targeting the lats. So we'll do 4 sets of this. And once we're done, put in some kind of a row. This machine row, if you're doing your back workout, you want to target the lats, the erectors, as well as the traps, the rhomboids. There are a lot of things that you can target. So mostly barbell rows, any kind of row tends to target on the thickness of the back. So if you don't do as much rows as possible, you discover to say you've got a wide back, but it just doesn't have that density. So the thickness of the back lies in the rows. So never forget about doing these kinds of rows, either a barbell row or a machine. It all depends with the equipment that you have. Jeez, I tell you. So these are the T-bar rows. They target the lower lats.